How to install Apollo Group TV on iPhone. Apollo Group TV is a popular IPTV service, and here's how you can install and set it up on your iPhone. First, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version and connected to Wi-Fi. Take note that Apollo Group TV does not have a direct App Store app. Instead, download a compatible IPTV player such as Smarter's Player Lite or GSE Smart IPTV. So open App Store, head over into the search tab and search for the Smarter's Player Lite or GSE Smart IPTV. And then from here, go ahead and click on this Get button to start installing the app to your iOS device. So once you have installed it, go ahead and open the IPTV player and enter the Apollo Group TV login details provided with your subscription. This usually includes a username, password, and a server URL. Once logged in, the app will load Apollo Group TV's channel list and on-demand content. You can now browse and stream directly from your iPhone. Adjust playback settings for smoother streaming. You can also enable subtitles or change video quality depending on your internet speed. And that's how you install Apollo Group TV on iPhone.